Hi, welcome to Brandon Rayner School of Massage and Natural Therapy. So I'm Brandon Rayner, the principal and founder of our school. I've been practicing massage for 30 years, and in my courses I try and convey as much information from my experience as I possibly can. I've traveled around the world and done all sorts of different styles of massage. I've done 5 different diplomas in the healing arts, from shiatsu to naturopathy, Chinese herbal medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, remedial massage, Thai massage, and studied a lot of Hawaiian massage while I was living in Hawaii. So I try and bring all this knowledge to you in as easily to understand format as possible. During this COVID pandemic, we're based here in Queensland, so we're holding courses at a place called Pie Creek, which is just near Gympie. So basically what we're trying to do is get everybody to do our online course first, and then we hold practical seminars here. So our online course takes about 20 to 40 hours, and it covers a lot of introductory aspects of massage, from hygiene to contraindications, professional behavior, and it covers the basics of what Rayner massage is all about. So the style of massage that I've developed, I used to call it remedial massage, and then people were saying this is very different, very unique, very powerful, and so we changed the name to Rayner Naturopathic Massage. Okay, we call it naturopathic because it's therapeutic in nature. It's not got a goal of sensuality. It's not got a goal of just doing a routine. Many massage schools teach just a routine style of massage. Do 3 strokes this way, 2 strokes that way, and they do what I call make the person suit the massage rather than make the massage suit the person, which is what we teach. We teach people how to find and get rid of what we call chronic residual tension. Chronic residual tension is tension that's been in a person for a long time and it's causing some problem for them. Okay, it may not have even been there for a long time, it may be recent, but often it's been there for a long time, and so we do what we call excavate that tension. So a lot of people might have tension in their back, but it's actually the roots of it are actually coming from their feet, or they may have tension in their shoulders, but the roots of it are coming from their hands, neck pain, headaches, all sorts of things. So we follow what we call bands of tension. These are something I've discovered or found out about after years of working with things like meridians and Thai sen lines. But with bands, they're actually something we can physically feel. So we teach people how tension runs in the body. So somebody could be tight in their neck, but it's actually coming from their thumb. Or somebody could be tight in the back of their head, causing them headaches, and it's coming all the way from their big toes. So during the online course, we teach about these bands, and we teach people how to find them and how to get rid of some of the tension in these bands through using their hands, using their elbows, using massage tools, and encouraging the person to deep breathe while receiving the massage. Then in our practical seminar, we bring it more to life with more of the art form of how to diagnose people and how to work with people. So I've included a lot of the YouTube videos in the course, in the online course, that we've even taken from our previous in-attendance courses. So it's a great way to learn massage. It's one of the most powerful styles of massage in the world. So I started off teaching in Sydney in 1998, 1997. I was starting to teach, and by 2000 I was teaching full-time in Australia, Sydney, Brisbane, and Melbourne. And then we've expanded all over the world. So we teach now, I have different teachers that teach for me in London, and in Ireland, in Devon, and all across Canada. Sometimes we teach in the United States, we teach in New Zealand, and we continue to teach all over Australia, and we've taught in Africa, we've taught in Malaysia, Singapore, India, Dubai, Germany. So we gather knowledge as we teach as well. So we've explored some of the best massage styles around the world. I've traveled to so many different countries, Japan and a lot of Asian countries, and Hawaii. I lived in Hawaii for 7 years, learning about the traditional styles of massage, and we try and take the very best from all of those styles and bring it into Rayner massage. But with that first and foremost goal of finding chronic residual tension and getting rid of it. So it's very much a therapeutic style of massage, not a sensual style. And it's very powerful, and a lot of the people that we've trained, people are saying these are the best therapists they've ever had a massage from. So I encourage you, if you do live in Queensland, to take our online course. We have a free preview, so you can have a look at, I think it's 7 lessons that we've opened up for free. And then we're also holding seminars on Zoom, which is an online platform where different people can log in and have their camera shown, and I can answer questions. And my other teacher, Jason, he's also available to answer questions. He's based in Hawaii. And then, like I say, you could then come down, if you are based in Queensland and the COVID situation allows it, you can come down to Gympie and do some practical courses. So we have people from all over Queensland, from Cairns, from Mackay, Rockhampton, Brisbane, Gold Coast, coming and doing these practical seminars with me here in Gympie. We're just outside of Gympie. So that's what I would encourage you to do. Have a look at the free preview, see if this is what the kind of massage that you want. It's a very powerful style of transformation. Sometimes people even have emotional releases because holding on to emotions can cause physical tension in the body. You can see a lot of examples of the type of massage that I teach on my YouTube channel called with YouTube Rainer Massage. So if you just YouTube that, you come across our channel. There's all sorts of different videos on there. Some just on the very practical side, some people having incredible releases and transformations. I'm going to include a video in the page 2 of one of my students, Lily, who set up a business in New Zealand. She did my course first of all in Perth, and then my certificate, my early introductory course, and then my diploma course in New Zealand. And she's got a great business, and she's done a nice video, and she had an enormous release during her treatment. And people can't believe, they go to her and can't believe that she's only done a 10-day course. So that was the structure that we had up until last year, 2019. 2020, we've changed it, like I say, now to do as much as we can online and then do shorter courses. So we offer a 3-day practical course that goes along with our online course. So we call it our professional certificate course. And then we have a 7-day course, which includes what we used to call our diploma course, but now we call our combined certificate course. And that includes a lot of joint adjustments, so how to crack the back, how to crack wrists and increase mobility, how to walk on the hands and feet, so that sort of thing. And then it includes reflexology and using tools to massage the hands and feet more. And it includes aromatherapy and use of essential oils and liniments in massage. So we study Chinese liniments, Ayurvedic liniments from India, Thai massage liniments, and then we go into all of the different essential oils and how to use them, as well as how to diagnose your constitution according to Ayurvedic medicine, which is the oldest system of medicine in the world. So that's in our 7-day course that accompanies our online course, and you can look at the different pages. I'll include some links down below. And if you'd like to have a look at our online course, the free preview, it's RainerOnlineCollege.com. Again, I'll include that link, but it's RainerOnlineCollege.com. So I'd encourage you to do that, and then, like I say, we have these Zoom seminars even for people that are not even in the paid course, and we're happy to then answer any questions that you have about the course. Just contact me, email me at info@rainermassage.com, and happy to help you out with that. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it, and we're here to help you to try and become the best massage therapist you're capable of becoming, and help as many people as you can, and have a great new career. So thanks again.